Hello guys, what's up? In this video we'll see how to remove the extra space in a Word document. In my Word document, these are extra spaces in my paragraph. Then I will do it manually, it's very hard. Then let's see how to do it automatically without doing it manually. Okay, firstly we go to the video. Then firstly in your keyboard click Control H. You have to see uh, this pop-up window, and in this field you will type enter the two brackets, open bracket space close bracket and open curly bracket, enter the two comma close the curly bracket. Okay, then replace with, in this field do not type anything here. Okay, do not type anything here, put only one space from the your space bar. I have enter space bar from once. Okay, you have to see one space is here, and click more button and select use wildcard screen. Okay, then click replace all. You have to see I don't click replace all button, and you have to see these are look this my paragraph. Okay, I replace all, then click OK button. Look, this is very simple and this is very easy. There's something I missed, let me know down in the comment. I would love to hear you. And enjoy the video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I do lot of videos just like this one, so maybe hit that subscribe button and stick around, maybe that bell notification icon too. Hope you are having an amazing week. Bye bye.